got the yeah. They go crazy. Bazooks! I said I'm high as Mick. Fuck, nigga. What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Carter. And I'm back with another video, man. And today I got my motherfucking robe on. I got my robe on. I got my robe on today, man. I got tea with me. Y'all, we are at Chris' house. Hold on, let me turn this on. Why is it not turning on? Are you kidding me right now?
Is it dead, broken?
I don't know. But anyway, so y'all, today's video, I'm just gonna go around in my robe. Well, we're gonna go around in our robe. And I'm going in public bathrooms and putting powder on my nose and screaming with a speaker. Yeah, so stay tuned. Kids been stressing me out of shit. Baby mama been blowing me up and shit. Asking about child support. I ain't got it. Look, I ain't got it. I told you next week. I know it's next week, but rent was due. It's the 1st. I ain't got it. Shit. Damn. All right, y'all. So I'm back. I already gave them the rundown. Y'all, we are in our robes. Whoo. It's top bit breezy. Y'all ready? I don't know the first spot that we're going to, but I'm rushing because I'm kind of running out of time, but let's do it. So, all right, man. So we are at Mickey D's. Y'all, look what I got. I got the yeah. They go crazy. Bazooks! I said I'm high as Mick. Fuck, nigga. But yeah, so we finna go up in there. Let's go. Hit me.
You hungry as shit.
Alright, y'all, so I'm set up. I'm sitting on the toilet seat, but it's way better if I just sit up in that corner over there. Yeah, this is flour, I promise. This is not okay. This is flour. Yeah, I forgot the speaker. And okay, let's go. Lock in, cut up, lock in. Told myself it's time to get on grind and lock in. I done clear my roster full of fun niggas and fly friends. I don't want nobody to hit me up. It's like my shit. Still this shit. Oh, Jesus.
You hear that, Elizabeth? I'm coming to join you, honey.
There you go.
SB, the only flows that you know, with a bounce and a half. Listen. Humble me now, cause if I'm sober, dog, it just might flip. Grab my sons up or something. I get fly as a kite.
You hungry? You hungry? What you want? Shit, they like spicy on me. You hungry? You thirsty? Feel good. My hell nah, y'all had tripping. I just said pickles on the shit. Extra.
Fucking sick. Yeah.
Bro, you supposed to be in I'm in them motherfucking McDonald's causing hell. I do not care. We about to go to Wolf Chase, right? And do TikToks. Y'all follow my TikTok. I'm keeping this shit on my face. Follow me on TikTok, man. Everything right there. As I always said, and it's in the link in the description. What you say? Yes, bro. She got pickles on her chicken sandwich, y'all. This shit nasty as hell. That's just like eating chicken with motherfucking pickles or some shit. You get what I'm saying? Like, gosh, leave.
Like hot chicken?
I'm just yapping. Gosh, leave.
Exactly. So what's a spicy chicken sandwich with pickles?
This shit ain't really spicy.
Damn, I parked wrong as hell.
I don't need no crowd when I pop out. I'm secure, I don't need no security. I'm not a rapper. I really make shit sing. I really all night.
Bang. When you hit them motherfuckers, they be like, bang, bang.
I think we can put TS in the trash can.
No, come on now.
Bro, I'm just walking around. Hey, I'm finna buy a shirt, y'all. I don't wanna take pictures. And my Chrome Hearts lights. Oh, should I wipe this off my nose? Let me put the camera down. I had wiped the crack off my shit. I mean, the flour off my shit. I need to find this. Yo, I don't want to walk around with my camera until we get to the spot. But I'm looking for this particular spot. Y'all, this isn't it. This is closed. Bro. Okay. I feel discombobulated. Excuse me. Discombobulated as I said, damn, the security guard that upgraded his little mall cop shit he ride on. I said, damn. He used to have 2 wheels. Them I got 3. He on a motherfucking tricycle now. Y'all, I'm picking up my hoodie that I just got customized. I ain't gonna lie. I'm itching for time. Boy, I do not know how to time manage. Like, I used to, but it just lost. Like, it lost me completely. But I'm finna grab this and then I'm gonna take some pictures. I wanna show y'all, but the man like literally just walked off. He told me 10 minutes. It's been like a good 20 minutes. And he gone. Don't lie. Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all. Hey, y'all get at him. Hey, show them that. Man, this shit beautiful. I thought it was on the back. I was gonna talk my shit. I ain't gonna lie. But this shit beautiful. This shit done. This shit beautiful. Appreciate that. I'm most definitely gonna put that in the video. Thank you. This my third time coming here, y'all. My first time I got a Juice WRLD hoodie done. Then the second time I came here, I had got my grandma put on a shirt for a funeral. Thank you. And then now we got this.